Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me greatly. Y'all, please check out the links below. My course is still there. You can still get in the course. There's a lot of people signing up for it. It's going really good. Also, I still got stun guns, pepper spray, and tactical knives. A new shipment just came in the other day, so I'm good to go on those. Also, check out my books. They're in the links below also. Okay, y'all, I had two people ask me this question. Not the same exact question, but it was pertaining to the same thing. They say, will we be getting $1,200 or $2,400? Right now, there is no bill. So as of now, we are getting nothing. But it is a very, very good shot of getting a bill passed soon. We just don't know how soon. And it will be for $1,200 for all filers, $500 for all dependents. Y'all, I don't know where this $2,400 came from, unless they was talking about a husband and wife that are both filers. Then, yeah, together they would get $2,400. But the question came across like they heard we're getting $2,400. That's just not true. Y'all, please be careful who you believe. And watch out for clickbait. Says stuff like $2,400. Yes, I'm going to use that in this video, but it's for a reason. I want to clear this up. So before you say I'm clickbaiting, there's a reason for it. Also, they say stuff like, we've got a bill that's passed. No, we don't. Another question I'm getting a lot of is, who's getting it? Well, if you got it before, you'll get it this time. If you didn't get it before because of back child support, you will get it this time. If you had yours garnished by a past due charge account or something, they won't be allowed to do that this time. All of this is contains around if we get a bill passed and we actually get a stimulus check. We do know everybody that's working on it wants that stimulus check. They all agree on that. So if they get a bill passed, we will get that stimulus check. Y'all, President Trump is doing better. He could go home as early as today. He took a little joyride yesterday, and his doctors are saying he is doing much better, and he could go home as early as today. They hadn't made that final decision yet. Y'all, I don't mean for this video to be clickbaity, and yes, it is clickbaity, but it's for a special reason. I wanted to clear that question up, and I know if I did that, everybody would see it. Y'all, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and just know I love you all. Ciao.